In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pipeline in HubSpot. First, you will need to log into your HubSpot account. You will see the familiar login screen where you enter your credentials. Make sure you enter the correct email address and password associated with your account. This step is crucial because it ensures you have access to all your HubSpot features. If you encounter any issues, double-check your credentials and try again. Once you're logged in, you will be directed to your HubSpot dashboard, which is the central hub for all your marketing, sales, and service activities. Next, look for the settings icon, which resembles a gear. Click on that icon to enter the settings menu. This menu is where you can configure your account and customize various aspects of your HubSpot experience. It is important to familiarize yourself with this area because it contains all the essential settings for your account. Upon clicking the settings icon, you will see a sidebar with various options. Take a moment to observe how the settings are organized. Now navigate to the section labeled Objects. Under this section, locate and click on Deals. This will direct you to the Deals settings page where you can manage aspects related to your sales processes. Deals are the heart of your sales pipeline, so understanding this section is essential for effective management. Once you're on the Deals page, you will see options for managing your pipelines and stages. This sets the stage for the next steps in creating your pipeline. From there, you will find the option labeled Pipelines. Click on it to view the existing pipelines you may have or to create a new one. If you're starting fresh, this will be your opportunity to set up a new pipeline tailored to your sales strategy. Pipelines help you visualize your sales process, making it easier to track progress and manage deals effectively. Once you click on Pipelines, you will see a button that says Create Pipeline. Click on that button to proceed. At this point, you will be prompted to enter a name for your new pipeline. Choose a name that reflects the purpose of the pipeline, such as 2023 Sales Pipeline or New Product Launch. This is important because a well-named pipeline helps you and your team quickly identify its purpose later on. After entering the name, take a moment to ensure it accurately represents your sales strategy. Once you're satisfied with the name, you can move on to the next step. Next up, you will need to add or edit deal stages within your pipeline. Deal stages are the various steps that a deal goes through from initiation to closing. Click on the option to add stages and create stages that reflect your sales process. You might include stages like prospecting, negotiation, and closed won. This customization allows you to tailor the pipeline to your specific needs. Adding clear stages is crucial for tracking progress and ensuring that your team knows exactly where each deal stands. Now you have the option to set the probability for each stage. This step is optional but highly recommended. By assigning a probability percentage to each stage, you can better forecast your sales and understand the likelihood of closing deals at each stage. For example, you might set the negotiation stage at 70%. This little step saves you a lot of time later by providing insights into your sales funnel and helping you make informed decisions. Finally, once you have completed all the necessary steps and are satisfied with your pipeline setup, click the Save button. This action confirms all your changes and ensures your new pipeline is created and ready for use. You will see a confirmation message that your pipeline has been saved successfully. With this last step done, you have completed the process of creating a pipeline in HubSpot. Now you are all set to start managing your deals efficiently and effectively.